Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about how to use A to Z list. If you wish to find any information, you can always use the A to Z list. On the A to Z list, you can find information such as digital service point, scholarships, housing, minors, thesis, and many more. First, log on to My AUAS and click the A to Z icon on the upper right corner. A new tab would open and you will be redirected to corresponding A to Z page on our school website. As you can see, all the subjects are organized alphabetically. By clicking the subject category, you can easily narrow down the relevant information. For example, if you click Study Program as your subject, the list will automatically show information about study program only.